Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on creating custom game menus using HTML5. Whether you're an aspiring indie game developer or simply trying to enhance your web development skills, you've landed in the right place. Today, we'll delve into using HTML5 to craft visually appealing and user-friendly game menus quickly. Let's set the stage. HTML5 introduces a wide range of features tailored for game development, making it easier than ever to build interactive and engaging menus. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a foundational understanding and a custom menu ready to integrate into your game. Section 1. Understanding the basics. Before we dive in, let's cover some basics of HTML5. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of any web page, empowering you to create the structure of your game menus. Here's a simple HTML skeleton. This basic structure sets up our document. Notice the head section is where we include our character set, viewport settings, title, and links to CSS style sheets and JavaScript files. Section 2. Styling with CSS. With our HTML foundation established, let's move on to styling. Cascading style sheets, CSS, manage design elements like colors, layouts, and fonts. Here's a quick CSS example to give our menu a sleek look. In the CSS above, we set the background color for the body and define styles for the menu item. The hover effect will enhance user experience by giving visual feedback upon interaction. Now, let's populate our menu with options like play, settings, and quit. Within the div class menu, we'll use buttons for each option dot. You can always customize these items, like adding more options or even animations. Section 4. Adding functionality with JavaScript. Now for the fun part, adding interactivity with JavaScript. JavaScript brings our menu to life, responding to user actions. Here's a quick script. Using Add Event Listener, we can link actions to each menu item. When you click on play, it alerts the user. Of course, you would replace these alerts with your actual code modal functions later on. Section 5. Improving user experience. Consider these key points: stay consistent, easy navigation, feedback, and accessibility. And that's all. Now that our menu is coded, thank you for joining me today on this journey through HTML5 for gamers. Happy coding, and may your games be ever engaging.